Y'all, I'm frying some gizzards. I didn't have any flour for my gizzards, so I used the Zatarain fish fry. Season my gizzards with. I'll let y'all know how they taste. This them frying. Look at them. Don't they look good? Don't they look good? I'm about to take these out and then put the remainder in. Hold on. All right, y'all. About to take a bite. About to take a bite. Look at them. Look at them gizzards, baby. Look at them. Look at them gizzards. Look at them. Then I'm gonna put the remainder of the gizzards. Look at these gizzards. They look good though. They really do. So I'm about to drop these in there. I don't want to get popped with that grease. I don't want to get popped with that grease. Cutie, don't get popped, okay? Don't get popped. Don't get popped with that grease. Trying to put them in there with your hand. They frying, y'all. It's the last batch. All right, let me try one. Hold on. All right. All right. All right, let me try a gizzard. Let me try one. Let me try one. Let me try this little one. Let me try this little one right here. Let me see. Okay, good. I'm about to put some hot sauce though. Hold on. Let me put some hot sauce. It tastes good, but you can tell I ain't using no flour though. But I ain't have no flour. What I was supposed to do? Okay. Let me put some hot sauce. To add some hot sauce. Okay. Now I'm gonna taste it with the hot sauce. Okay. Let's see with the hot sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Make sure you put some hot sauce. Make sure you put some hot sauce on your gizzards, okay? Make sure you put some hot sauce on your gizzards. Hot sauce on your gizzards. Hot sauce on your gizzards. Make sure you put some hot sauce on your gizzards, okay? I need to make sure I put some lip gloss on my lips. All right, y'all. Let me eat my gizzards.